Today's video is for HP Envoy 5020 printer. So I'm going to show you how to unbox this wireless printer and how to do a quick setup, and then we will do a copy test in the end. So this is a wireless printer where we can connect our mobile device, laptop, computer, iPhone or MacBook with this, and we can do a wireless printing, and we can also use it with the wire as well. So there are lots of functions. We are going to use it now. So let's start with unboxing first. Now the first step is to switch on your printer. So press the power button and switch it on. And once we switch on the printer, then we will go on the display screen. So it's going to set up for the first time. So on the display screen it will take some time to upload the software and details. So just wait for that. And it will look like this. So HP is downloading the software. Now once we download the software, then we will go for the next step here. So now we can see it's asking for the language. So just select the language you want, just confirm it, and now we'll see what is next. So you need to select the country wherever you stay, so select that. Now click on info button, and then we will start the setup process. Although you can do it with the app once you download the app, but to do a manual setup we click on the info button. Now click on the manual setup. Now it's asking to install the ink cartridges, so just take the starter ink cartridges, remove them from the packaging, and open the printer ink cartridge chamber like this. Hold the printer from both sides and lift it up. It will stand itself, and you can see the ink chamber is on the right side, that is the pink and the black color. So place the pink cartridge like this, slide it little bit in so that it can catch that hook, and now move this place and it will lock itself. The same way you can do it for the black. So it's good, it has a lock feature, so you don't actually need to uh, press any extra power. Now I'm going to show you how to close the chamber. So just press it downwards and keep it holding. So once it is closed, now we go on the display screen again and we will check the details here. Now you can see here ink is installed. Now click OK. Now we have to load the paper tray, and I'm going to show you how to do that. The paper tray is located on the base of the printer, so you can see you can just open it like that and slide it out. Now adjust the size, so move this section here, and now we will load the A4 size sheets here. So once we load, we can just slide it in, it will lock itself. And the paper output tray, as you can see, this tray has a handle here, so you can move it and open like this, and here it can handle the printout. So let's go on the screen again for the next step. Now on the screen we have to press OK, and it will go for the align the printer. So it's going to print a page, so just click OK again and wait for the printout to come. Now we need to scan this printout facing downwards. So place it on the top scanner and press the scan button and just wait for the printer alignment. So once it is done OK. Then again you will see install HP software. So click on more info button, and once you click on the more info button, then we can go for the next phase. So here is the advanced setup. So click on the advanced setup. Then if you want, you can connect to wireless, and if you don't have any wireless network, just connect later, click on that. So once you click on the connect later, now if you want to update, you can do that, but I don't recommend just now. So just click it on the do not check. and now you will see here, click on continue again. Now specify if you're using it for home or business purpose. So I'm going to use it for my home. Click on home, and then we can enter the personal use, and we just confirm it. So once we confirm, you will see install HP software. Click OK. So once you get the thanks for choosing HP, that's the final confirmation, and now we are ready to do copy, scan and print. So enjoy your print. Thanks for watching.